Hello and welcome back to Stef le Chef. Today au menu, Ratatouille, a French classic from the Provence region. So let's do it. So ingredients for this wonderful French stew. Beautiful tomatoes, aubergine, courgette, peppers, red and green. I've got a yellow one here as well. I've got some fresh basil for the finishing touch, some thyme, onions, garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, not extra virgin olive oil, and a pinch of sugar. So first of all, we're going to process the tomato. We need some tomato concassé, and to do that on the stove, you need some boiling water and some ice water. We're going to drop the tomato in there to get the skin out, and that should take about 20 seconds, and cool it down very quickly, take the skin out and take the pips out, and we'll make some tomato concassé. So water is boiling, so we get rid of this one, and we do a cross on the top of the tomato, and that's going to go in there for 20 seconds. Let's have a look if the skin comes off. Yes, that's ready. We plunge the tomato into the ice water. I switch off this one. We plunge it into ice water to stop the cooking process of the tomato. It's just to get rid of the skin. As you can see, that's peeling. Lovely. There you go. So 20 seconds, that's all it takes. And we're going to get rid of the pips as well. Cut it in two. Get rid of the pips. And what we want is something like that. Tomato concasse. Okay, now for the aubergine, get rid of this bit there, and we want more or less pieces like this. There you go. As for the courgettes, get rid of this, and in two and in four, like so. The pepper, like so. Right, so here's my vegetable all chopped. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook them separate. Apparently that's the way to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the aubergine. Hot pan, olive oil, not extra virgin olive oil, otherwise you're gonna have a bitter taste. So I'm gonna bring that to a little smoke, and I'm gonna stick my aubergine in it. Put one to see if the oil is ready. That's about right. Okay, let's fry our aubergine. Little salt, little black pepper. So the idea is just to give it a little color before it goes into a pot, which we're gonna bake in the oven. This will take about 5 minutes, something like that, until it's nice and golden. Right, the aubergine are nice and colored. We're gonna put them in a colander to get rid of the excess oil. In the pan goes some new oil. Comes the aubergine. Not the aubergine. Courgettes. Come on, Stef. Black pepper. Little salt. If the pan is getting dry, you can always add a little more oil. So while my courgettes are cooking, I'm gonna transfer my aubergine in my earth. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees. As you can see, the extra oil dripping from the courgette in the pot. Now the peppers. The pepper. And lastly, the onions and the garlic. I didn't realize that my pot was quite small, so I had another one. Okay. Right, our onions and garlic are done. Goes on the top. Now another pinch of salt, black pepper. Now I'm going to add my tomato concasse on top. that will reduce dramatically. A little pinch of sugar. I'm gonna add some thyme and a few basil leaf. In the oven it goes for 40 to 45 minutes and 2. Halfway through the process we need to stir the whole thing together. Alright, so just get it out. Yeah, just a little stir. And for the other one. Here we are, another 10-15 minutes. So after 45 minutes to an hour, that's coming out of the oven. This is my way, by the way. Some people cook it on the stove, but I prefer doing it like this. All right, let's have a look at this baby. Oh, lovely. Now let's serve this. Now all the juice come together and look at that. It's a juice to go with that. I like to add a little extra virgin olive oil on mine. There you have it, ratatouille provençal, my way. Okay, I hope you'll enjoy it. Now I wonder what I've got today. From my little friend over there, what have you got today? Of course, it has to be Provence, Côte de Provence with a Provençal dish like this. So let's enjoy it. You can eat it hot or cold, whatever you like. Summertime is here. Let's enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, that'll be ace. And see you soon on Stef le Chef. Okay, bon appétit. Allez, let's tuck into this lovely ratatouille.